welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my own slime. And I have a little help from my mom.
Hello.
And let's get started. The first thing you need is a bowl, a spoon, glue, baking soda, shaving cream, food coloring, glitter. Food coloring is to make your slime get a little color, and glitter is to put your slime glittery. Lotion and
Contact solution.
contact solution. If you have contact solution, you have to make sure that it has borax acid. And if you don't have contact solution, you can use baby oil. So let's get started. First, we're gonna get a half of glue. And my mom is gonna help me on the baking soda because I don't like touching this stuff. This takes forever. I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry about my son in the back.
Yeah, that's my mom talking. My brother. Woo!
Okay, that's good.
And next, my mom's gonna add baking soda.
A pinch.
A pinch. And if you don't know how to use baking soda, if you don't know what a pinch of baking soda is, please ask an adult for help. Like my mom, I don't know what a pinch is. I do. Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah.
A pinch of baking soda. And then when you add your pinch, it's time to mix. And make sure the baking soda dissolves. Because if it doesn't dissolve, it's going to make it very sticky. And you don't want it like that. Use my shaving cream. Add a half of shaving cream.
So, not half, just a little bit.
Just a little.
There you
Whoa. Oh, that looks so.
go. Okay, move it.
Yes. This is perfect. Oh, by the way, last time when I tried to make a video, don't add a lot of lotion. It will not make the slime a slime. It will make it into like a new lotion. So my mom's gonna help me with the lotion. Oh. Smells amazing. Smells like vegetable oil. I don't like vegetable oil. I'm gonna put it right there. Mix. Yes.
Now you can add the glitter.
And now you can add the glitter or food coloring. But today I'm going to be adding 2 glitters. A blue glitter and a silver, or if you want to call it gray. Don't bite in the comment, please. So I'm first going to add glitter. Silver glitter.
Do the other one.
Okay. And now I'm going to add blue. Thanks, Mom, for the help. And now I'm going to put the glitter. There we go. Yeah, that's the glitter. I'm going to put it
Pass me the lotion.
Huh?
Pass me the lotion.
And now I want to do lotion because last time it came out wrong. Okay, and now mix.
Let me help you.
And after lotion, you will need baby oil contact solution. Make sure, like I said in the beginning, it may need boric acid.
Now you pour a little bit.
Yeah. Wait, let me open it.
Pour. There you go.
And now the magic begins.
Touch it.
Oh.
It's still sticky, so you put a little bit more now.
Sticky.
Pour a little bit more. It's getting there, dear.
There. Wait, I can't.
Just maybe like
It's
that.
so sticky, my goodness. I can't see, I hardly see like the glitter.
I see it.
I see it, but I hardly can. Let me do it.
Ooh, almost there.
Almost. I'm gonna add a little bit of, I can only see the blue, I'm gonna add a little bit of silver. Whoa.
Almost. Almost.
That looks so cool. Oh, now I can see the silver.
Can you put a little bit more solution? Just a little bit. Dale, go, go. I told you. Go, 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 go. Go, press it. There you go. Just a little more.
It's still sticky.
Almost, almost. You have to keep playing with this until you found.
Look at my hands. Peace.
See? You have to keep.
I can't wait to use it. It's getting there. It's getting there. Huh?
You see? Almost.
Whoa.
You know what this look like?
What?
Marshmallows.
Oh, the Chubby Bunny challenge. But do never eat slime. Whoa, let me feel it.
Try.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Can you keep moving? Now mommy's tired. No, okay. A little. Can you pass me the solution, babe?
Yes?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just a little bit more.
Probably me and my mom's gonna start a vlogging channel.
There you go.
Maybe. Whoa. It's not moving. It's not moving. Whoa. That looks so ASMR.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, it's so sticky. Just play with it.
Yeah, throw in your hand, and keep playing with in your hands. Keep playing until you show them.
It feels, guys. It feels so sticky.
Keep playing with him, keep playing. Keep playing until you make your own one. Keep playing.
It feels like a marshmallow, but it's so sticky, Mom.
Just keep playing with them, keep playing. Keep playing.
I love that sound.
Keep playing with them. Yep, keep playing.
Guys, I'm probably gonna do, maybe if my mom lets me, I'll probably make more slime. If when I'm doing my chores, I'm gonna make more slime. And I'm probably gonna do a giveaway. Maybe. But I need my mom's permission.
See?
It feels so good, Ma. You need to feel it. It feels like a marshmallow. But I need to get this out.
Keep playing with him until you found.
It's probably take like 5 minutes or more.
Take all the stuff from your hands. Clean all your hands. There you
I
go.
can't. This is... Whoa. Did the girl say you have to play with it?
See? Until you finally found that it's not sticking in your hand.
Oh, still sticky. Guys, this feels so relaxing. Oh, look at the glitter. Oh yeah, I think you guys can see it. It looks like toothpaste. Oh, I love myself.
Clean your hands.
It's still sticky.
What? Look all your mess you're doing in your hands.
Because it's sticky.
But with that, you clean it like that. There you go. Don't leave it. Just clean it. There you go. See? Yeah.
Whew, guys, this is work. Oh, just please, please, please subscribe to Miss Beauty. If we reach 1,000 subscribers, my mom will probably do something. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure that she doesn't want to tell you guys yet until she reaches 1,000 subscribers. I just love this, guys. Whoa. It's getting less sticky, Mom. That means it's almost finished.
No, keep moving. That's it. That's it. That's your slime.
And Mom's.
Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit.
That's it. Keep moving.
Okay, now it's getting less sticky. Contact solution is really magic. I love that noise.
Keep moving, maybe.
It's getting.
Clean your hands. Clean your hands.
Going to. It's still sticky.
But you have to keep moving it. That's it. That's your slime.
It's still it's. Whoa. I love it. Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Thanks to my mom. Thanks for watching my How I Make My Slime video.
My first time.
My first time my first time was like, it was a kind of a success. But I would just really want to give a shout out. Please subscribe to my mom, Miss Beauty. She makes Dollar Tree hauls. You should go subscribe to her. She's an amazing person. You can do trades with her. She can send mail to you. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that it's in the description her YouTube channel. So if you go subscribe to her, you probably will get a shout out. You will get a shout out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. And if you didn't like the video, then whatever. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.